You're welcome once again to DANNYCOM channel. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscription button, and then if you are a follower of this channel, please click on the share button down there and share our videos. You know, on DANNYCOM channel we give you nothing but the very basic of everything that you need to know that will make life very simple for you when it comes to technology. So if you are new to this channel, please help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscription button and then hitting on the notification bell, so that anytime a video is posted, you will be notified. On DANNYCOM, we take our time and walk you through the very simple thing that every phone user or every internet user is supposed to know. We don't rush you through anything. We take our time so that you understand the reason behind whatever that you are doing. If you are new here, as I said from the beginning, click on the subscription button, and then if you are an existing follower of this channel, please share our videos to also reach out to more. We educate the populace by giving them the basic knowledge that everybody is supposed to know when it comes to technology, and so share our videos to also educate somebody as well. Thank you very much. In today's episode, or in today's video, I'm going to show you how to screencast or how to mirror your phone onto your laptop, how to mirror your phone onto your laptop, your computer, desktop, or even your television if it is smart television. Okay, and so quickly I'll walk you through so that you know how to share your phone screen onto your television if it is smart, or even your laptop. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is you pick your mobile phone with me, and then you scroll through to your Play Store. Okay, and when you get to Play Store, you just click on the Play Store, and then you search for this application called Let's View. So it's up here. You just click on it, and then you just click on it. You install the Let's View. Already I have it on my phone, so it's asking me to open the Let's View application. So if you don't have it on your phone, you quickly install the Let's View on your mobile phone from Play Store. Okay, now after installing the application on your mobile phone from Play Store, what you need to do is go to your computer and then go to install the same version of Let's View application, onto your computer. This is how it works. If you are using Mac, you'll be able to install it. If you are using Windows, you'll be able to install it. Even Linux, you'll be able to install it. So install the version of Let's View installing the Let's View on your computer. This is how it works. You open the one on your mobile phone. So you just scroll through your mobile phone and then open the one on your mobile phone. When you click the one on your mobile phone, you will see, for now it is connected, so let me disconnect so that you see. When you go to agree, you just disconnect. Okay, so now after disconnecting, it will ask you to connect, and anytime that you are about to connect, it will ask for a pass key or something like a code for you to be able to share your phone screen with your laptop. So you just enter the code, and then you say share screen, and as soon as you click on share screen, as you can see, my screen now is shared to my computer. Okay, so my screen now, as I'm here, everything I do is now also happening same on my computer. Okay, so first you need to download Let's View application on your phone, and then secondly have the same application version on your computer. When you finish, you just open the one on your mobile phone. It will give you a passcode. Open the one on your laptop, put in the passcode from the mobile phone into the laptop, and then you are good to go. Your screen will be shared from your mobile phone to your laptop, and everything that you do on your mobile phone will also appear on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and also educate somebody. This is DANNYCOM channel, where we take our time and walk you through everything that you need to know when it comes to technology, internet, and everything. Social media, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Click on the subscription button if you are new. Click on the subscription button. Help us to grow this channel. If you are an existing member, what you can also do is just to click on the share to educate somebody.